What's your name?
Sir, my full name is Nur Hussain Sajid. My friends or my family call me Sajid. If you're comfortable, then you call me Sajid.
Do you know the meaning of Sajid?
Yes, sir, I know. This name Sajid meaning in Shizdagora.
Are you a student or do you work?
Oh, sir, I am a student. I recently completed my HSC exam.
HSC exam.
HSC exam, yes, sir.
And what was your college?
My college name is Government Mujib College. It is staying Noakhali.
Noakhali.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you say something about your hometown?
Yeah, my hometown is from Noakhali. Noakhali is the most beautiful district in Bangladesh. There are a lot of people, remittance fighter. That's why Noakhali is very famous, and most of the 10% or 20% people, farmers.
In your opinion, what is the greatest profession in the world?
I think greatest profession is in the world teacher. Teacher is very respected profession.
Who is your favorite teacher of all time?
My favorite teacher was Mizan sir. He is my school life teacher. Yes,
Why
sir.
did you like him?
Because he is a very honest man and he is also kind human. He also take care of us and he is a very good.
How has this teacher helped you?
He also motivates me and he also good advice give us. Then he said also just good environments are there.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Why
I
do you
also-
like it?
Because it's show me and I like it because black is very good color and when I wear this color that time I feel comfortable.
Is there any color you dislike?
Yeah, it is like red color
Why do you dislike red?
because it's very uncommon color, sir. It's not show me.
Uncommon color.
Yes, sir.
And what is the most famous color of Bangladesh?
Sir, I think famous color is blue and
Blue.
black.
Okay. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
Yes, sir. I went twice over, yes, sir.
Okay.
And there are long sea in the world, and there are places very good in this Bangladesh.
What do you usually do when you visit Cox's Bazar?
That time I went to once over with my family and with my friends. Twice over. That time I enjoy this moment and I went. There are mountain. I enjoy this moment.
Well, what is the importance of traveling?
Important of traveling. This is make my fresh mind and everyone. If everyone go traveling, that time they also make fresh mind.
I'm going to ask you the last question. Well, what will you do if you become the prime minister of a country?
No, sir, I dislike this about politician.
You dislike.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Nur Hussain
Yes, sir.
Sajid.